Welcome back to another video. So we are still in the beautiful island of Barbados. It is day 3 and today we are going on the road. This trip is like a family trip and it's one of those trips where taking the kids to Barbados to kind of get them to see what it's like to be in the Caribbean, to live the real Caribbean life. Because whenever we go on trips, most times it's like in a hotel, renting a car, doing the touristy stuff. So this trip, we wanted to show them the real island life. So we're going into Barbados, into the capital of Barbados, Bridgetown, going to Swan Street. We are going to check out the Rihanna Fenty Beauty line that just launched in Barbados a month ago, and we're also going to go to the Eros Square. So this is it, day 3, Barbados. Yeah, so we're finally downtown. We're at Swan Street. That is like the downtown shopping area in Bridgetown, Barbados, and it's just amazing how it's so similar to, like, everywhere in the Caribbean is so similar. It's similar to downtown Jamaica. It's similar to in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Like this street, it's very beautiful, very clean, very busy. Swan Street. We are in the middle of Swan Street, and Swan Street is one of the busiest streets in downtown Bridgetown, Barbados. It's like the shopping capital of Barbados. Mariah and Jaden have never experienced anything like this before. Mariah, what do you think about it?
I think they have like lots of cool shops.
You like how busy it is?
Yeah, there's lots of people here.
How different it is from Toronto?
They have like lots of outdoor shops instead of indoor shops.
Indoor shops, yeah. Jaden, you like it so far?
Yeah,
What do you think about it?
mid.
It's amazing.
No, so.
So yeah, so we are in Swan Street, as I said, and it's amazing because it's almost like anywhere you go in the Caribbean, it have the same feeling. If you go to Jamaica, if you go to St. Vincent, if you go to anywhere else in the Caribbean, you'll see the same type of like street vibes, street market. So, and the kids, it's their first time second time they experienced it in St. Vincent and now in Barbados. So, yep, we continue to shop and we take you along with us. You have like local shirts also? Where over? Okay, okay, thank you. You could go in that store here. This one? Oh, okay, upstairs. Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. Jaden!
It's really good.
Now we're heading into the Palmetto Agricultural Market. It's from the Ministry of Agriculture. That's where we're heading now. The thing that stood out to me the most is how clean Bridgetown, Barbados is the fact that you're on Swan Street and it's a shopping district downtown and in the market and it's extremely clean. That is amazing. This is like a smaller version of the farmer's market, like Kitchener Farmer's Market. Yeah. This is so. You guys getting this feeling for the first, well, the second time. This is nice, very clean, very nice. Compared to, yes, it is. What are you talking about, Jaden?
What do you mean?
Yes, it is. Yes, guys, so we're inside the market and now we're going upstairs, and this is so amazing. Like when you compare it, because the last market video I did was St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and I spoke in that video how clean it was, and this is comparable to the one in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's very clean. You know, like growing up in Jamaica, like I'm used to the market. It's like very smelly and it's like very crazy, but this is really clean, very clean market. So just follow us. I have to say, Bridgetown, Barbados is extremely beautiful. It is very clean. It's almost like you could eat off the street. It's, trust me, it is breathtaking. A small Caribbean island nation to have such a developed downtown. Very clean. Walking on Swan Street, so colorful and extremely clean. I can't overemphasize that. And now we are on our way to the Bridgetown area where we're going to check out the Fenty line from Rihanna, and this is the highlight of our vacation. This is one of the highlights of our vacation so far. So we're downtown Bridgetown, Barbados in the duty free store, and Mariah checking out the Fenty line. She's very excited, you know, because just to imagine that a young girl from Barbados, Rihanna, could get to such a level internationally where she have this her Fenty line right across the world and become one of the first billionaire in the Caribbean. It's such amazing, and you know, I wanted my daughter to see this, that you know, the sky's the limit. You can do anything that you put your mind to. So this is one of the highlights of the trip, being in Barbados, the home of Rihanna Fenty, and for Mariah to experience this because she's into fashion now. So this is one of the highlights of the trip so far. How was everything?
Good.
You like the Fenty collection?
Yeah.
Which one do you like the best?
I like the Riri flavor.
Which one of the flavors?
Riri.
Riri flavor?
Yeah.
Yeah, very excited being in Barbados. I'm checking out Fenty. Hey, Rihanna. Now we are on our way to go check out KFC, Bridgetown, Barbados. Personally, I don't think you can come to the Caribbean without having KFC, so let's do it. Okay, so this is what we got at KFC. Two meal deal. Look at that. Mariah, you have there's one original and one spicy. Oh, they put it in the box. Oh, this is the spicy. Yep. And this was $57, 57 Barbados dollar. So everyone says Chefette is better than KFC. So now we're gonna try it out. This is a real test, right?
What do we try first? The fries?
Anything. We'll try and then give our result after.
Not bad.
What's your price, Jaden?
Mid. So.
So?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. There's no price that can compare to McDonald's. I don't know why, but yeah. But it's okay. Chicken is good. It's not bad so far. Not bad. Now we are on our way to Euro Square to check out the statue of not only the youngest, but one of the only living national heroes. So this is such an humbling experience for me, walking in the beautiful island of Barbados, seeing the statue of Rihanna Fenty, a young black Bayesian girl. And remember, Barbados is the first place in the Caribbean where slavery began because of the proximity to the continent of Africa. So now to see over 300 years later, a young black girl, the latest national hero in the Caribbean, It is such an inspirational story. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep following us for more interesting and educational videos in the Caribbean. Thank you for watching.